Here are the top 3 reasons you need to change out your HVAC filter. 1, you have allergies. When your HVAC system is on, almost 100% of your household's air is pushed through the system. Your HVAC system has the capacity to catch some of those allergens that are in your home, purifying the air in the process. Number 2, you have animals in your home that shed. This is my bestest boy, who sheds nonstop. Now, I try to keep up with vacuuming, but occasionally, some of his fur winds up in the vents. If that fur makes it to the HVAC filter, the filter will catch it, no problem. But the issue comes when there's too much hair on the filter. And when there's too much hair on the filter, the HVAC has a harder time pulling air through the filter, which places stress on your $8,000 or more system. And number 3, you want to maintain the efficiency of your unit as a whole. HVAC filters are meant to capture allergens and hair and other particles that pass through them. But the amount isn't infinite. Once the filter is full, the HVAC unit has a more difficult time pulling air through, which again stresses the system and potentially lowers the lifespan of that system. So let's talk about changing your filter before it's full to keep your household air as purified as possible and to lessen the burden on your HVAC system. I'm Caleb the contractor, and let's cross this chore off your list. Here's a list of supplies you'll need to change out your filter. New HVAC filter, tape measure, and a cleaning cloth. Start by locating your HVAC unit. After locating it, inspect the unit to determine where your filter is located. This could be behind a metal screen with tabs, behind a metal clasp, or a door, etc. Pull the filter out of its housing and inspect it. If the filter is covered in dust or is discolored, it's time to change the filter. Take note of what size the filter is. This is often written on the border of the filter. If your filter isn't labeled or there isn't a filter in the housing, use your tape measure to measure the length and height of the filter housing. Go to your nearest hardware store and purchase a filter of the same size. Now, in my experience, expensive filters aren't always better, as they can cause your HVAC system to work harder to pull air through the filter. I personally buy the cheaper, more basic filters that are pleated, but not the really cheap fiberglass filters. Once you've purchased your filter, remove the packaging and make note of the installation direction. On most filters, there's an arrow that indicates which side of the filter to face the HVAC unit. Make sure that the arrow is pointing the direction of the airflow, not away from it. If you don't know which way the air is going, or trust what the previous owner did, turn on the fan setting and hold a piece of paper in the filter housing to see which direction the air moves it. That is the airflow direction. Use your cleaning cloth to wipe down the edges of the filter housing to remove any dust or dirt. Insert the filter back into its housing in the correct direction. Close your filter housing door and throw away your old filter. Super quick. In less than 5 minutes, your HVAC filter is swapped out. Air is back to being purified and the system is back to working at optimal capacity. For households with pets, this filter should be changed every month. But for other households, every other month is okay. I'm Caleb the contractor. Until next time.